and we outlined this in the white paper, is this wasn't an option. Well, when was it? November that this came out, Rich?
Exactly.
I think it was
I think it
November.
was around November. Yeah.
Yeah. So this kind of came out as a tiny little blurb about Python last year, and it just basically said that, hey, we can handle asynchronous queries in Python. It's like, what? Now, if you think about what the world looked like before then, if you look at those what light yellow boxes on the screen, it used to be everything had to be one of those light yellow boxes. You couldn't do asynchronous work in a single session. If you had to do something that required parallel work, you had to open another session, and so hence you had these DAGs that would open lots of sessions and run everything in parallel. The problem is that you're not taking the maximum amount of compute when you're doing that. It's like you're sending off a train and you might be only loading 3 passengers on the train. You push the train one way or the other. What this capability is doing, if we have asynchronous queries, is it allows us to load that train with as many passengers as possible, and in this case, the actual data itself. Anyway, I wanted to inject that so that people understood that this is a big deal to have this feature here, because it's enabling us to actually have these conversations about, a new way of doing ELT, a new way of thinking about, data science without having to go to these outside platforms.
Jared, you could have just said it's all ELT magic.
Yep.
Hey folks, thanks for checking out this cut from our broadcast. To see the full show, click on the link in the video description. Also, check out our Learning Center, which has white papers, events, live streams, and short explainer videos on a wide range of data management topics. And of course, if you like our content, please share it on LinkedIn. That really means a lot to us. Thanks again for checking us out, and we hope to see you in our next broadcast.